Hey, don't take your pool down at the end of summer. It's pretty easy to winterize. If you have an above ground pool like this, watch the video I'm about to show you. This is video I shot last fall of me winterizing this pool. It's mid-August right now, so hopefully we have a good month of swimming left, but it's never too early to start preparing and gathering your things that you need to winterize your pool. In the description below, I have a few links of the products I use. So enjoy the video and leave your pool up and winterize it. You will thank me later. Well, it's a sad day, kind of. We're taking down the pool. September 20th. It's a nice warm day, but we are going to close the pool for the winter. We do not take the pool down. So I took the solar cover off. That's the winter cover. That's the bladder you blow up. I got a helper here blowing it up. We're going to skin this pool out. There's a little bit of debris at the bottom. I'm going to vacuum it. Then I'm gonna throw in a whole bag of shock, twice the amount of shock needed. And then we'll put the bladder on and the cover on, drain the pool about down past the drain level, and wrap it up for the season. So I got the pool all vacuumed out. I just backwashed and rinsed this, extra amount of time. This sand filter is gonna stay here all winter. I'm gonna take the pump and put it in the shed. Got the ladder out, the water's draining out of it, and then that's the cover ready to go. And there's the sad inflatable. This is called a winterizing pill. You just take this out. There's a little puncture thing, you stamp it down and you throw it in the pool over the winter. It's got some enzymes and some water clarifiers. It just helps, along with the extra shock that you do, helps keep the water from getting algae when you open up the pool. Now, when you open up the pool in the spring, the water's gonna be kind of cloudy and milky color. That's fine, but you won't have a big algae bloom to deal with. So I always put this in. It's about 20 bucks on Amazon. Now we're gonna drain the pool down to the level of these intake holes here. All you gotta do is remove the hose and you get the level down, and then the inflatable pillow will sit right up here and the cover will go over that. Bye-bye, summer. Okay, I got the ladder out. I got the pillow inflated and tied off on all four corners. That little magic pill is in here floating somewhere. And now we're gonna put this cover on, drape it over that, and then I'll tie the cable around the grommets through the cover, and then we'll be done. Okay, well, here it is. It's all covered up. The pillow's underneath. The cable's tight and taut. The cable goes on top and then between the small length of the two grommets here. It's really tight. Here, I'll walk around. I'll show you. Here, see, this is how it'll be all winter. This will get rainwater in it, in this little valley there. That's fine. That's why the pillow's there. So the cover won't sink. It'll remain airtight, watertight all summer long, or all winter long. And when I get a little rainwater in here, it actually helps weight this down, because we also get some nasty east winds in the wintertime. If the water starts getting really high up, I'll stick a garden hose in here. I'll funnel it out. I have to do that a couple times. Here's a cheapo little winch you use to tighten it up. So there we have it. We will see this pool water in May. Well, that's it, and that's pretty easy to do, and hopefully you're able to winterize your pool and you have a good winter. I really hate it when summer's about to end and the summer's over, because I love summer, but fall is great too. I'm gonna be starting to harvest the garden and make tomato sauce and put away vegetables and can them. I'll make some videos about that during the winter, and during football season. I do a lot of barbecuing and different cooking. I'll document that, and crabbing and fishing and other stuff like that. And I'll be sure to start diversifying and putting that on this channel. So stay tuned over the winter, and we'll see you again next spring for another exciting pool season.